open the package first, and we can see that the intercom packaging is very sturdy. We will start with the intercom unit, and we then have the user short menu. User guide. USB charging cable. 2.5mm to 3.5mm cable. Hard-to-be microphone. 3M glue Velcro. EVA booster and Velcro. Unit base. Metal clip. Wired microphone and other parts to stay here. Let's look at the M1-S Pro main unit again. Its buttons are all on the front and the buttons are also widely spaced. Oh, and it's also a micro USB port. Let's go outside and see what it looks like on a helmet. It looks nice on a helmet, right? Next, I will show you some basic function of M1-S Pro. How to switch between automatic or manual answering calls. Hold down the intercom button and the volume plus and minus buttons at the same time for 3 seconds. How to hang up or refuse calls. Hang up call. Call ended, short press function button. Refuse call, long press function button for 2 seconds. So how do we clear the pairing memory? Pressing and holding the function button and the volume plus button simultaneously for 5 seconds. How does the battery reminder work? After the device is turned on, press and hold the function button and the volume minus button at the same time for 3 seconds. You can hear the beep sound. The more battery, the more beep sound. The low battery only beeps once. Can M1-S Pro connect to signal card to intercom? Yes, use signal card to normal pairing model. Well, let's use it to connect the phone. Press and hold the intercom button and the function button for 3 seconds at the same time to turn on the device. Long press the function button. The red and blue lights flash quickly and enter the pairing mode. Then you can see the Fodsports M1-S Pro Bluetooth device created on your phone. Click it to complete the final pairing. Next, we enter the operation of the voice assistant. M1-S Pro is to press the function key once. Okay, let's test it. Hey Siri, call to Alex.
Can you hear my voice? I'll be going for a ride today.
Now let's test the sound quality. The sound quality at sub 75 miles per hour speed is excellent.
その DRC っていうのは結構安いじゃんね。まあ大江でも8000円ぐらいするけどさ。
It's with IP65 water resistance ratings, able to protect against water jets. M1-S Pro basic function introduction. 8 riders intercom. 900 mAh lithium battery, Bluetooth 5.0, 0.31 meter communication distance, support noise reduction function, micro USB charging port. The kit itself is relatively easy to install. If you used a job dial before, the only issue for you is getting used to the buttons. Buttons are large enough to use well gloves once you have familiarized yourself with its layout, as obviously you can notice it once you have your helmet on. Battery life is also very good, and we have no problems communicating on 4 days riding without loss of power. About the wind noise, can speak at 60 to 70 miles per hour. We couldn't ask for more. If you're looking for a set of intercoms for rider to passenger and within your budget, I would recommend it.